Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a clear goal. Are you learning, comparing, or finding entertainment? Once decided, type 2-4 focused keywords. Add a format word like tutorial or review to narrow results. Make sure to include specific nouns rather than vague terms. This increases precision. Then open filters and choose upload date or duration to remove stale or too long videos. By starting with intent plus a format and filters, you save time and teach. Once you have base results, refine using advanced operators to shape what appears. Put exact phrases in quotes and prefix a term with a minus sign to exclude irrelevant topics. Make sure to try channel or playlist when you trust a creator. In title, helps when a keyword must appear in the title. You can also combine terms with or to widen the net, but use modifiers sparingly. Too many constraints will hide useful videos, while measured use targets better matches. To finish, evaluate top results by scanning thumbnails, reading timestamps, and sampling a minute of content to check depth. Make sure to glance at view count and recent upload date for credibility. Comments reveal common issues or highlights. If videos miss the mark, troubleshoot. Remove restrictive filters, swap a keyword for a synonym, or broaden from 2 to 1 key term to increase hits. By iterating quickly, you find the best match without wasting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.